And we're back to exploring Generative Fill. Let me show you how you can create mockups. Just press Ctrl A to select your blank canvas, Generative Fill, until you use the specific keyword mockup. In this case, hand holding smartphone mockup. I want to have a yellow background. We generate it. It's a hit or miss as always with AI. For example, this one should be somewhat alright. So let's just get rid of the one on the right. I'll select it properly using the lasso tool. I switch to the paint bucket tool. It's black. I'll go to the layer mask, left click. It's gone. Ctrl D to deselect, create a new layer. Put it below your mockup. I for the eyedropper tool to sample the background color. G for the paint bucket tool, left click. And you could work with that. As I said, it's a hit or miss, especially when you use, for example, a bottle, or you want to have a specific product like a toothpaste, some kind of can. The results aren't perfect and you may want to adjust the view. Aerial view has given me helpful results. But still it doesn't really know what it should give me. But this one's not bad. Arm is a little bit long, but if you put it right here, it could work. And you always have the option obviously to regenerate it. So at some point you should get a result that is somewhat useful so that you don't have to buy these mock-up stock photos anymore. Try it out yourself. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.